Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to clear run command history in Windows 10 or 11. So firstly click on start, type here regedit. Now open registry editor. Now guys, firstly export your registry editor. To backup your registry editor, give any name and save. And once you need, so import. Now guys, to clear run command history, expand hkey user, then software. Now here expand Microsoft. Now here expand Windows. Now expand current version. Then expand current version. Now here expand explored. Now guys, here you have to find out run MRU folder. So right click on it and delete. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this key and all of its subkeys? Click on yes. Now close this registry editor and restart your PC. So this way guys, you can fix and resolve and clear run command history in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.